Hey there, are you ready to unlock your full potential? Because today, we're diving deep into the secrets of mastering your craft. Today, I'm going to show you how to be the absolute best at what you do, no matter your field or passion. Whether you're aiming to climb the corporate ladder or master a specific skill, these strategies will set you on the path to excellence. First up, set clear, achievable goals. This is your roadmap to success. You can't hit a target you can't see. Visualize your goals vividly. Write down what you want to achieve and be specific. Break it into manageable tasks, creating a step-by-step plan. Tackle them one by one. Sounds simple, right? But believe me, it's the foundation of success. Next, embrace continuous learning. The world is constantly changing and staying stagnant is not an option. Read books, take online courses, attend workshops, keep feeding your brain. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the more you can innovate and adapt. Now let's talk about time management. This is crucial. You need to master it. Use tools like calendars and to-do lists. Prioritize your tasks and avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time, and you'll see your productivity soar. Efficiency is key. A well-organized workspace can also boost your efficiency. Networking is another key element. Connect with people in your industry, attend events, and join professional groups. Building strong relationships can open doors you never even knew existed. Plus, you'll learn from others' experiences. Don't underestimate the power of a strong network. Don't forget about self-care. Burnout is real, and it can derail your progress. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and taking breaks. Your well-being is paramount. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and taking breaks. Your mind and body need to be in top shape to perform at their best. Stay resilient. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but it's how you respond to them that matters. Develop a growth mindset. See failures as opportunities to learn and grow. Keep pushing forward, no matter what. Reflect on your setbacks, learn from them, and use them as stepping stones. Finally, seek feedback and be willing to adapt. Constructive criticism can be a game changer. Don't take it personally. Use it to improve and refine your skills. Flexibility is essential in a constantly evolving world. Use it to improve and refine your skills. Flexibility is essential in a constantly evolving world. So, there you have it. Set goals, keep learning, manage your time, network, take care of yourself, stay resilient, and seek feedback. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to excelling in your field. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, not a destination. Keep striving, stay focused, and you'll unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to boost your professional life. See you next time.